Hello friends, this is MD Abu Wasir Rahman speaking, but you can call me Wasi. It is my sweet nickname. I study at Kurigam Riverview High School and I proud to be a ESD Academy star. So today I will talk about my presentation on fashion and style. Fashion is about what we wear and how we express ourselves. It includes colors, clothes, etc. Some people like traditional fashion like Punjabi shari, while another enjoy modern trends like shirt, jeans. Fashion can change with time, season, or place. Whether we wear traditional fashion or simple clothes,